Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can enable backlog in Jira. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Jira and just click here project settings, and then you're gonna see everything here. So what you want to do is simply click features, and here you're gonna see backlog, and then you can also enable sprints here. So when you're gonna do it, you can simply see backlog or with all the issues and stuff like that, and this is how you do it. So again, project settings, features, and backlog right here. So that's pretty much it, and this is how you do it. So thank you very much, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.